Welcome to this tutorial on Azure Portal navigation. The Azure Portal is your gateway to managing cloud resources through a user-friendly web interface. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the Azure console effectively and understand its key components. The Azure Portal is a web-based unified console that serves as the central hub for managing all your Azure resources. It provides a graphical alternative to command line tools, making cloud management more accessible. You can access the portal anytime by visiting portal.azure.com in your web browser. The Azure Portal interface consists of four main components. At the top, you'll find the top bar, which contains search functionality, notifications, settings, and access to Cloud Shell. On the left side is the navigation menu, which includes your favorites and all available services. The home page displays your dashboard with quick access to frequently used resources. Finally, resource panels occupy the central area, showing detailed information and actions for your selected resources. The global search feature is one of the most powerful tools in the Azure portal. Located at the top of the interface, the search bar allows you to find all resources, services, and documentation quickly. You can access it instantly using the keyboard shortcut G+/, making navigation even faster when you know what you're looking for. The left navigation menu can be customized to suit your workflow. You can add frequently used services to your favorites for instant access. The All Services option lets you browse through all available Azure services, organized by category. When you need to create new resources, simply click on Create a Resource to start provisioning new services in your Azure environment. Azure provides several tools for managing your resources effectively. Resource groups act as logical containers that help you organize and manage related resources together. The All Resources view lets you see and filter every resource across all your subscriptions. Cost management helps you monitor your spending and analyze where your budget is going. Azure Monitor allows you to track performance metrics and set up alerts to stay informed about your resource health. Cloud Shell is a browser-based command line tool built directly into the Azure portal. It eliminates the need to install tools locally on your computer. You can choose between Bash or PowerShell environments depending on your preference and scripting needs. Cloud Shell comes pre-configured with Azure CLI and many other common tools, so you can start managing resources immediately without any setup. Let's recap what we've learned. The Azure portal provides an intuitive graphical interface that makes cloud management accessible to everyone. You can customize your experience by organizing favorites and creating personalized dashboards. For maximum efficiency, leverage the global search feature and Cloud Shell integration. Finally, remember that all your resource monitoring and cost management can be done from this centralized console. With these fundamentals, you're ready to start exploring Azure confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.